And it goes a little something like.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Ashley and I'm so happy to have you here with me today. Today, if you could tell by the title of today's video, it's going to be another full day in my life as an esthetician. I have my MXA Beauty Bar shirt on again. If you saw from my week in my life as an esthetician, I washed it obviously and I wanted to wear it again because it's just good branding for when I go to work. But today is a crazy day. I have, I think, 7 appointments starting from 11:30 and it goes till 6:30. And I'm just so booked today. And what's crazy is I have so much to do too, and I don't want to tell you guys yet, but I have exciting things coming to MXA Beauty Bar, and I don't want to say it on YouTube because I haven't told my spa yet. Like, I haven't told my clients. But it's really exciting and it's a lot of hard work and it's a lot for me to do. So when I actually like announce it at my spa, I'm gonna do like so many videos on it because it's perfect. And I know so many people will have questions about it, but I gotta get to my spa. I just wanted to do like a little intro, but yeah, let's get to my spa. Also, really quick, part of the new thing that I'm doing at MXA Beauty Bar, I'm gonna start wearing scrubs, and I'm gonna put MXA Beauty Bar right there, but it'll just be so much more easier to just like quickly know what I'm gonna wear every day, and cleaner, because they are antimicrobial, I think that's how you say it, but yeah. I got my laundry. I did it all last night and folded it. And then I also spray painted, I spray painted one of these little cup holders. This like stone color, which, oh my god, it's wet on the inside, but it's not on the outside. But I spray painted it like a stone color, which will be nice for my spa. Okay, I'm currently at my spa and I just set up for my brow wax. I had to clean this, clean these, just to make sure they're double cleaned, and I put all my laundry away. So I put all my laundry away, folded it, and then reset this up, which I will put brow wax and tint for her. Oh yeah, here's the thing. Isn't this so cute? It'll be like my little cup holder, which it's probably wet, but it's okay. It'll be for these, but I got these like really nice aesthetically looking pens that I'm gonna put in there on Amazon, which I'll show you guys when I get that. And then I got clipboards for here too. But yeah, all set up and waiting for my brow wax. Okay, I set up for my facial now. And I have the consultation forms that they'll have to fill out, and I just did like the highlighted ones because he's just a guy, so it's just his skin concerns. But then yeah, just waiting now. Okay, so I just did my brow wax and then I did my facial. Now it's 1:30 and my next one's not until 2:15. So honestly, I'm tempted to go get Starbucks. But yeah, then I have to set up for a brow wax at 2:15, then I have one at 4:10, then I have one at 5:10, and then I have a facial at 5:30. So busy. But yeah, let me kind of clean up a little bit. what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna make a list of some things that I have to get when I go. I think I'm gonna go to Target and Cosmoprof in between my 2 and my 4 because I need to get like gloves and I need to get some table paper and I want to get these binder dividers, and I think I need to get more disinfectant and paper towels. So I'm just gonna get all that in between my clients today. But yeah, so let me make a list really quick and I'll show you guys my list after I make it. Here's some things I need to get. I need to get disinfectant, binder dividers, gloves, paper towels, muslin strips, tissue, coffee stirrers, and garbage bags. If I find anything else there, I'll get it too. But some of it's Target and some of it's Cosmoprof. So yeah, I'm gonna have to get that before my client. It's right now almost 2 and my client is at 2:15. So I'm just waiting for her. Okay, I'm currently at Target and I'm gonna go in, and of course I forgot my list that I made, but at least actually I have a recording of it so I can go back and look. But yes, I'm at Target, so I need to go buy some of my supplies that I need, and then I will show you guys what I got when I come back in the car. Target things, and I got 2 paper towels and another disinfectant wipe, and then this is $1. This is so cute. And I was like, I can put it like on the wall. Disinfectant. Garbage bags and tissue. So let me put this stuff away. Okay, so currently I am now trying to take an Instagram photo. So like, okay, wait. So this is like kind of what it will look like for my Instagram. This is like what it literally looks like, but this is a little behind the scenes. Taking some cute Instagram photos. Oh my gosh, okay. It is finally 5:22. Oh, right there, 5:22. I had a 5:30, but she just canceled. And honestly, that's okay because I'm really hungry and I'm really tired. So I cleaned up everything and I could put this. And then I'm ready to go. But thank you guys so much for watching today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to hit the like button. And I definitely will be doing much more full days of my life as an esthetician because I'm here almost every day. So if you guys like these videos, I definitely will do more of them. But thank you so much for watching and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.